You will. Yeah. What are you hoping to see from the trial? What examples would you have on the SoilLink platform and how it's been successfully used on other projects?
Ultimately, what we would like to see from the trial is the user uptake. So it'd be great to see engagement on a very granular basis. As we're building out functionality and reporting functions, it will be great to see we can really demonstrate and clearly see that our intervention in various material imports and exports has resulted in a net positive, and that net positive can be a mixture of operational, commercial, and sustainability, being the key drivers for this for us. And again, we can monitor that through the data that we're collecting. So it could be a national highways to national highways project if there's if the evidence stacks up that it's the right option to take, or it could be a national highways into residential development project, or vice versa. And that's what makes this exciting for us, and seeing really how the market can work together and feed each other. Like if you're pulling excess materials off one of your schemes or one of your contractors are, then what we can do with that material, if it can't go back to a national highways project, and where that can go, rather than as into a landfill situation, where they can go into another project. So that for us is really exciting, and what we'd really like to see from this trial. In terms of where this platform has been successful in utilising other projects, we've got lots of data now. As a data company, we rely on proving points. So we've got lots of demonstrable evidence to say that SoilLink has, I'll pick out one scheme, we moved 5,000, or the platform linked up 5,000 cubic meters of topsoil that had all the relevant MMPs and permits on to be able to directly transfer to another project. There weren't any options for that material within the contractor's network. So the only option for them at that moment in time was to run the material to landfill. What SoilLink did was to link them up with another residential development, and the soil was then imported to go on sports pitches as part of a 106 contribution to the local environment. And as a net result, there was about £250,000 savings. So that's the commercial gain, which was a big tick in the box. The environmental gain was about 91% CO2 avoided, which is equivalent to just under 30. That'd be amazing if it was 30,000, but 30 flights around the world. And that's just on 5,000 cube of material. So some of the volumes that we're talking about in these schemes, you can imagine the impact on what we can do with those.